We absolutely recommend Rilla. It's really the only tool that allows us to do any sort of true quality control of the in-home sales presentation. I'm Mark Schmidt, Chief Operating Officer at Mr. Roofing. Mr. Roofing is the preeminent roofing company and solar company here in the Bay Area of California. We're a member of Certified Contractors Network, and so we met Rilla through that organization, and several of the other contractors in that organization were not only customers of Rilla, but big fans of Rilla and its concept. We trust our peers in that organization quite closely, and we've been very pleased by the results.
Rilla is a godsend for a sales manager. We get as much recording as possible and then compare it against our top reps. And every time we do that and hire new people, the one who uses it the most is the person that starts selling the fastest.
It has definitely assisted me in making bigger sales. It's almost like a coach, right? Because you can play back, review the play, making sure everything that I'm doing is correct.
It helps us get a uniform customer experience, which is very important to us.
We have a very specific process that works for us. We've been doing it for 30 years. So Mr. Roofing wanted to make sure that our script was specifically put in there. Those concerns went away just as the AI trackers went together and we started to see the data come in. I mean, it's very clear. The same lessons apply from sales training as that you see in Rilla, and you're able to tag that to the salesperson and create a folder of good and bad practices. So it's amazing.
Our mentioning of financing and financing options has gone way up since we've been able to track that with Rilla, which then leads to higher close rates, higher ticket sizes, everything else that comes with using financing. But if you don't mention financing, you don't get financing, you don't get all those benefits.
I would definitely recommend Rilla. You're just going to get more sales. You're going to close more.
We all know how long it takes to onboard somebody. This is a pulse out in the field 24/7.